Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be talking about user flow. User flow is a path taken by a prototypical user on an app or website to complete a task. The user flow directs them from their entry point through a set of phases towards a successful outcome and final action, such as sending a message or purchasing an item. Let me give you an example of a very simplified user flow for an e-commerce app. The user starts from the home page. From the home page, the user clicks onto a category page. Then from the category page, the user clicks on a product. And then from the product page, the user adds an item to the cart. And then from the shopping cart, the user checks out. And after that, from the checkout page, the user completes the payment. And in the end, the user can get his or her receipt. So this is how a user flow looks like. And it's very important for every project to have at least a simplified user flow.